Hi viewers, I welcome you to Solvemath. Yes, today is our second lesson on equations with a variable on both sides of the equal to sign. Today we have another question to tackle. Yes, as you know, it's so easy to deal with this particular question or this nature of a question. Just follow simple rules and you'll be okay. So now the instruction is solve the equation 8x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 11. Good. So let's have our solution. So good. We have our solution, meaning how we solve it in order to have a neat and presentable work. So you write the equation again. We have 8x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 11. Remember, we are grouping like terms, and it's usually easy for the variables to be grouped on the left-hand side and the constants on the right-hand side. So with this, what do we have closer to 8x? Because we want 8x to be alone, it should be on the left. We have negative 4. So in order to eliminate the negative or get rid of the negative 4, you have to add 4 to both sides of the equation. It's also essential. Adding 4 to both sides. Whatever you do to the left-hand side, you do to the right-hand side. So let's do that. So we have 8x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 11 plus 4. Good. I believe we are taking notes. Where I placed my 4, I didn't place it beside the what? The 3x because it's a constant, right? Good. So now you have 8x negative 4 plus 4. You are owing 4. You go and pay the 4. Is 0. So we just get rid of it, right? Good. So we have our equal to now. We have 3x. Now 11 plus 4 will give us what? 15. That is 15. Good. So now we have 8x is equal to 3x plus 15. So now 8x is standing alone. But just look on your right hand side. You have 3x plus 15. And remember, we want the constant to stand alone on your right hand side, right? So we have what closer to it? Positive 3x. So what you have to do now is to subtract 3x from both sides of the equation so that the 15 can stand alone. So let's do that. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 3x minus 3x plus 15. I believe you are following. Fantastic. So 8x minus 3x will give us what? 5x. You have your equal to sign. 3x minus 3x will give us what? 0. So let's get rid of it. Then we have our 15. Positive 15. Good. Now 5x is equal to what? 15. What do we have? Closer to x is 5. So what you have to do is to what? Divide through both sides of the equation by what? 5, so that x can stand alone. This is easy if you've been watching our previous lesson. So write the equation again. 5x is equal to 15 divided by 5 divided by 5. 5 will cancel 5. Now, 5 will go into 15 how many times? 5 times what will give you 15? And it's 5, 3, 15. 5, 3, 15. And 5 will go into itself what? Once. That is 5, 1, 5. So 5 will go into itself once. X will be equal to 3 over 1. Any number over 1 is the same as that number. So 3 over 1 is the same as what? 3. So x will be equal to what? 3. X will be equal to 3. Yes, that is the answer. That is the answer. That is the answer. Now, if you really want to check your answer, now you go back to the equation you were given, right? And wherever you find x, you place the value what? 3 in there. And if the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, then you are correct. And I can assure you, as I always say, you can do that. You can do those checks on your own. If you've not, visit our various platforms. That is GEOCAN Educational Channel on YouTube or GEOCAN TV on YouTube, or better still, GEOCAN underscore GEOCAN on TikTok. Yes, if you go on Facebook to hear GEOCAN Educational Channel and GEOCAN TV, or also Solvemath. You'll find us there on Facebook, or Kids Zone also on Facebook. Also, Jokan Ambassadors on Facebook. We are there. And finally, you can find us on Jokan on Facebook. Yes, my name is George Country. You can also call me Jokan. So we meet again for our next lesson. It's adios.